When we teach, we tend to teach the way we were taught. And so if we weren't taught in a deeper learning fashion, which so many of us were not, then our go-to behaviors tend to be the way that we were ourselves taught. So New Visions has done a very smart thing by working with teachers as in very respectful ways in small groups to get them used to being taught in a different way. And in doing that, they're modeling the inquiry process so that the teacher can then take it into the classroom. And the thing I found so interesting about the New Visions video was that you could see the teachers in that small group with the coach beginning to take in and understand what it means to critique the way you're doing something yourself, self-assess, try something new in an environment that makes it okay to try something new, an environment where they feel okay because they're being treated respectfully. The coaching in New Visions particularly stood out because what New Visions is doing is coaching adults who then model that coaching that they received, and then you could actually see that move into their classrooms as they worked with those two students, Natalie and Chris, and they called them to the board to work on their work that they had been struggling with. All I could think of was, here's this teacher who has experienced this herself. She had been called to the board herself in her small community of fellow teachers. And she had been treated with respect while she confronted what she was doing that didn't work. And you saw that very same thing, very grounded, very respectful, as she moved to her students. And the students seemed okay with it because the emotional tone of it was something that helped them to feel okay, helped them to reflect, helped them to think, plan their next steps in a way that they could really take risks in getting things wrong and knowing that it was okay. That's part of the learning process.